My name is Vishnu Paura. I'm from Bangalore. I've started playing badminton since I was 6 years old, and now I'm studying design at MIT ID Pune. I got introduced to this technique called touch play. It was a technique that I learned from a coach in Malaysia. He was a former world champion. His name is Han Jan. And this technique was very different from what players play in India. And I think that was what made all the difference. In touch play, there is very delicate use of the wrists and the fingers. The wrist gives you the power, the fingers directs it. So when you take the racket back along with your wrist, it directs the shuttle. So in the touch play technique, you keep your hand straight up and using only your fingers, take the racket back like this. So based on whichever direction your racket is facing, the shuttle will go that side. So if you want to hit on the left, you turn it this side. And if you want to hit the shuttle on the right, you turn it this way. And the point of contact will always be as high as possible. So you can see that my forearm and wrist are turning together in one motion like that. So when you turn it and then bring it down, it counts as one full motion. So for any stroke, based on whichever direction you're hitting it, this will always go back first with your fingers, and then front, and then down. So similar to the upstroke, for playing any stroke in the front, it's the same concept. You take the racket back. This is the starting point. You take the racket back with your fingers, and then you face the racket to whichever direction you want to hit it, and stop there. That's the only difference from the upstroke and the front stroke. So basically, along with hand movements, you use your legs also, right? Because you need to move around the court from corner to corner at a very fast speed. So like the hand technique, whichever side you want to go, you push the opposite side. So there are two types of techniques. There's a one-step movement and two-step movement. So in the one-step movement, you push only with one leg. The two-step movement, you push with two legs. So it's like a running motion. So you use the footwork also in a specific way to make it more efficient, and you use the hand wrist work also in a very efficient way. So together, the whole thing is what gives the result of what is touch play.